Hello YouTube, Model Car Guy here, welcome back, and today we're doing an unboxing of this 1957 Chevy Nomad that I'm building for Rob at Time Machine Scale Models. Fat, fenders, fins, and chrome group build. Let's look at the box. It's going to look roughly like the box art, except no flames, Craggers, and a blue and white body. So let's see what pictures it gives you. Not much. Okay, so 97 parts. It's scale level 4, 1/24 scale. Station wagons are in, and there's a whole new crop of fans just waiting to get their hands on a vintage wagon. The classic Chevrolet Nomad two-door wagon has been updated with modern street machine goodies. Chevy V8, 2 optional setups, fuel injection or dual carburetors. Alright, let's get into the parts. Alright. We got the frame. Here's our interior tube. And we got Nomad body. Alright, then we got, I think it's the back part, the interior tub, and something I think goes on the roof. We got bench seats, backs, we got headers, we got stock manifolds, cross member, cylinder heads, battery, some other stuff. Then we got our engine halves, we got radiator, oil pan, and some other frame stuff. We got bucket seats, transmission that we could put together, dash, or hood, tire backs, other engine parts, roll bar. We got our headlights and our one-piece windshield and back glass. We got tires. Here's the Craggers I'm going to use. And we got these that come with it. We got our tail lights, master cylinder, there's our grill, headlight bezels, or bumper. Here's our dual carb setup, like this. Or we got the other one, and we got a fuel injection and some other stuff. Not much for decals, just flames, Illinois license or California license. Now let's get everything over and let's look at the directions. So start off with putting the motor together, which I'm on custom, the dual carbs. I'm not going fuel injection. Stick it in, and then get the frame all put together, and get the cross member on and others stuff. And then we got our tires together, then put them on. And we start working on our interior, which I'm thinking about going charcoal gray, and I'm putting the bench seat in and definitely shifter in the floor. When we get to our hood, put that hood hinge on. Glass in, and then frame to body. Then add a radiator stuff, battery, headlights, grill, hood ornaments, Yeah, there's that piece I was talking about. I don't know if we'll put that on or not. Probably not. Then our bumper and taillights and decals. Yeah, not much to it, so. Alright, if you guys enjoyed this video, we'll see you guys in the build video of this.